Hello folks and welcome to another Parkside product review. Today I have for you this bench pillar drill with electronic speed control. I have already opened the box, so let's see what we have inside. We have a bag with some bolts and a red lever. Of course we have a manual. Here we have the base plate of the drill. We have this parallel stop for attaching to the base plate. I have to give a credit to Parkside. They really know how to pack their equipment. Take a look how well is everything packed in separate bags. I think this is the clamp for the base plate. We have this plastic protector for the Chug. This is the control lever of the drill, and of course this is the drill itself. And this is how it looks. I will need some time to assemble all of this, and then I will do some tests, and later I might even disassemble this drill to see what parts we have inside. Now let's take a look at the fully assembled drill press machine. We have a really nice looking Chug guard, the speed control regulator. Unfortunately, the label is manufactured not so good, and eventually it will fall off. The on-off buttons, the on-off switch for the laser, the height regulating lever. This lever has this major free play. Also, I doesn't like how this plastic part is manufactured. You can see it how it's moving. On the other side we have this nice label with information regarding the speed and the diameter of the drill bit in steel and wood. The depth stop lever, the height adjustment lever, the movement of the drill press itself, it's not so smooth. I'm not sure what is the reason. Maybe it's because it's brand new. Other thing that I have noticed is that the drill itself is not perfectly aligned with the center of the base plate, and it doesn't matter how much I try to push it to the right, it still stays a little bit off center and heading to the left. And most likely this is due to the fact that the gap over here is bigger than the gap on the other side. Otherwise, I really like the aluminium base plate, the parallel stop. Those are manufactured really good. Here we have this meter for the depth stop. Now let's switch on the machine and test it in action. Another defect of the drill press is that the laser is not aligned with the center of the drill chuck. As you can see, this is the place where the laser beams are crossing. Now let's bring down the drill press. And you can see how off-center are the laser beams. I'm not sure if I will be able to align them later, but I'm planning to disassemble the drill and see what parts we have inside. Another thing that I have noticed is that at lower speeds, lower RPMs, the RPMs are not constant, they're fluctuating, and it's really annoying. Also, when you initially turn on the drill, it starts at higher RPMs, higher speeds, and after a second or so the speed decreases. This also happens when you use the speed control regulator. Let's say you select 920 RPMs. The speed increases to some point, and a little bit later it decreases. which again is quite strange. I don't want to say annoying, but it's strange. So let me show you what I really do mean. I'm not sure if you're able to hear it on the video, but the RPMs are fluctuating. Now I will show you the other strange thing. Also, I do believe that the machine is quite noisy, so for this purpose here I have my Parkside sound level meter. Let's turn it on. And lastly, let's do some drilling tests. I hope you saw how the RPMs are decreasing when the machine is under load. Again, this is not a good thing. I might say that the speed control function is not realized in its best. my overall opinion is that definitely this is not the best Parkside product that I have tested. But for a price tag of only 60 euros, you get what you paid for. Yes, there are some flaws in this drill press, but if you're planning to do some homework or you have a hobby, it's not such a bad idea to buy one. So thumbs up and subscribe if you like the video. Bye for now, guys.